Hello guys, welcome to my Udemy course. In this course, I'm gonna teach you Bootstrap 4. Bootstrap 4 is a framework which used to design the responsive mobile-friendly website, web applications, and also websites, right? So I will teach you the most important things which you use to design the responsive website template or admin template. You can write anything else on the web using Bootstrap. So first of all, you will learn how to download and install code editor, Visual Code Editor, which you use to write the code. Then you will learn how to download and configure Bootstrap 4. Then you will learn container and container fluid classes. What is different between container and container fluid classes? Then you will learn basic Bootstrap classes, text align classes, float and position classes, text color and background classes, margin and padding classes, width, height and border classes, button classes, navigation, list group, form, alert, table pagination, card, media classes, grid and align classes, and more things are available. Flex classes, margin auto and wrapping classes, slider classes, collapse and accordion classes, tooltip and model classes. Now after learning the basically Bootstrap classes, you will be able to develop or design the projects. I will teach you how you can design the project. The first project, you will learn how to design the one-page website, Technotech one-page website. Then you will learn how to make multi-page blogging website. Then you will learn how to make portfolio one-page website. After learning the project, then I will teach you how you can buy a domain name and web hosting. After learning domain name and hosting, I will teach you basically how to upload a local website online server or web hosting. So this is the outline of the course. I will show you the projects. I open the first project, Technotech. This is a fully responsive project, and this is a navigation bar, this is a slider. Okay, after 5 seconds then the image will change. Just a minute, you will see the image automatically will change. Now you can see. Now another thing is, this is a fully responsive. For example, I click on about me, I am able to see the about me section. I click on author section, those are authors. I click on services, those are basically services. I click on contact, this is a basically Google map. I embedded Google map on here. Now the final step is footer. This is a full footer, and this is a basically fully responsive. I decrease the size of the browser, then you can see here. I go to above, and this is our slider. Those are basically menus, and you can see here everything is perfect on here. Okay, now this is a single page website or template. You can set that anything else. Okay, now the next is, I close it. Now the next project is my blogging. This is a multi-page biggest project in this course. This is a my blogging basically website, and those are basically pages or menus. You can say that anything else on depend on your work. Okay, those are basically pages or menus. I click on, for example, about me. I redirect with another page. In this page have a simple about me and some content on here. and I go to above and I click on privacy policy. Privacy policy page has been different, just a different in the title. Okay, and finally is contact form. This is our contact form page. Okay, I click on home page, I redirect on home page, right? This is our pages or menus. Now this is a showcase image. Now the next is, this is a basically posts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 posts on each page. I have designed more than 5 pages, but I display the post images on the 2 pages. The first page I go to on the next page. This is the next page. In this page have 6 posts. Okay, now I go to above on, go to on the first page. First of all, I open the first post. This is our some content, image and video. The all thing is responsive. Now you can see here video is also responsive. Now you can see here guys, and image also responsive, text and all thing is perfect on here. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, now the next is I go to again on the main page. Now guys, those are social sharing icons. This is a follow us on Twitter. Those are popular posts. I click on any one post, I redirect on the post section. Okay, now you can see it. Now in this page I click on, for example, school management system. I redirect on here and I go to below, and this is basically about me, recent post and follows on Twitter. Now you can see here these social sharing icons, buttons with counter. This is basically only text. This is a design based course. Okay, I click on any one post on here. This is also linked with the main post, so I click install Kali Linux on Virtualbox, then I redirect on here. Now you can see here. Okay guys, this is our second project, right? Now you will learn everything in this project, how you can design the basically navigation bar, showcase, post, etc. You can learn everything on here. Now the third is and final project is portfolio website. This is a single page website, and this website have many techniques. I used many techniques. First technique is, guys, I click on about me, I redirect on about me, skills, experience and contact page available on this page. And now another thing is I scroll down below. Now you can see here the about me section. This is about me section. I go to below and this is a basically link, skill section. This is the experience section. Now you can see here this is the spy technique. I used spy techniques, and this is the contact me on below section. Okay, this is the fully responsive website or template, you can say that, anything else. Okay, now you can see here. Okay guys, so this is a very simple project. This is a lost project. Okay guys, so I hope you will learn everything in the Bootstrap, also projects, domain name, hosting, everything in the Bootstrap and also outside of the Bootstrap. So I hope you will like this course. So thank you very much for watching. See you next lecture guys. Have a nice day.